Yes, I sold my wife's car to Carvana. You'll notice here that the mileage was extremely low, 65,000, 2013 Jetta TDI diesel. You'll see in these pictures how clean this vehicle was. The only issue it had was the rear bumper had clear coat peeling on it. I owed 7,300 on the car. The best I could do with trade-in was 5 grand, and even CarMax only offered me 6,000. So I contacted Carvana. They offered me $11,600 for the car. I chose to go with them, took a chance. I had to drive 2 hours, meet them in a parking lot. 10 minutes later, truck showed up, looked at the mileage, looked the car over, VIN number, handed me a check for the difference. Picked the car up, off they went. I went to the bank. 2 days later, check was cleared. 7 days later, the balance of the car was paid off. Beautiful, beautiful transaction. I was a little bit leery, not sure. I was out of their jurisdiction, had again drive 2 hours to meet them in a parking lot, but it worked out awesome. You'll see here that again the car is immaculate. It was in good shape, and you'll see in this video coming up here just how nice it looks walking around. So yes, they got a good car, and yes, I got a good price. And to tell you the truth, if I had to do it again, I'd do it all over again. I might even do it again soon, I'm not sure, because they offered a very good price, much over anybody else was offering for this car. We needed the money to get out with this car, because you knew Volkswagens, when they have problems, they are expensive to repair. But there she goes, up on the truck, and again, awesome experience for me. I know there's some bad experiences on YouTube with buying the car from them, but selling a car, I'd do it 100% again. It was an easy experience. Again, beautifully, beautifully handled. I like Carvana from this sense of selling a car to them, and again, I would do it in a heartbeat. So enjoy, take the chance if you need to. Awesome company.